Hello and welcome to PicMaker. Today we will see how to create a YouTube thumbnail in PicMaker. But why is a YouTube thumbnail important? It is important because it can increase the visibility of your YouTube videos. So don't rely on any YouTube suggested thumbnail. Instead use professional templates for your YouTube videos. Now when you log into PicMaker, here is the welcome screen that you see. First up you will notice your recent projects and then you will notice the YouTube thumbnail category. Click on see all here and you will notice that there are many templates that load up here. You can either use a search bar here to search for different categories such as travel, food, cuisine, etc. Or just scroll down and pick your favorite template. When you hover different designs, you will notice that there is a use button that gets highlighted. Click on that to use a YouTube thumbnail. Now we are going to select this thumbnail for our purposes. There you go. We have the YouTube thumbnail open up right in front of us. Now this is ready for customization. Now click on templates here and notice that there are other options here as well. If you feel that you want to change your template, all that you need to do is just click on the template and you will see the new YouTube thumbnail loading up. And then go to photos and notice the different stock images that we have here. There are literally millions of stock images that you can use here across different categories. And then click on objects. Again, there are millions of objects here that you can literally pick and plug into your design. Emojis, stickers, food icons, and a lot more. And then click on text here to use the different font family that you see here. And then scroll down to upload here to bring in your pictures, or click on upload here to import pictures from your computer. Now when you are done with your design, go to download here and download a copy of your image. You can either choose PNG, JPEG or PDF. When you are done, click on download. That's it. You created an awesome YouTube thumbnail for yourself.